If you want to copy, delete, or move items on your Mac, you need to know how to select. There are 3 ways to do this. To select items in sequence, click on the first item, then hold the Shift key down and click on the last item. You can now let go of the Shift key. When you want to select items that are not in any particular order, hold down the Command key. Then click on each item you want to select. If you make a mistake, just click on the item again to deselect it. Once you select the last item, you can let go of the Command key. On your desktop, files and folders are shown as icons. Here, it's often easier to select multiple items using a marquee. Place the pointer next to the first item. Hold down and drag to draw a marquee. When you're finished, release the pointer. Everything the box touches is selected. This is pretty tricky, so don't worry if you make a mistake. One click anywhere on the desktop will deselect all items, and you can try again. These techniques work everywhere on the Mac, whether you're selecting files, emails, music, or photos. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click the like button below, and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more videos.